I'm Ali from Little Acre Gardens in Worcester. Been trading for 4 years now, primarily landscaping and garden services. A lot of fencing as part of our design installations as well. Just completed 16 bays of close board panel with olive grey posts and double boards. Really smart project. It was a new divider for the customer, just to kind of put some new boundaries in play, and was really pleased with the opportunity to use DuraPost. DuraPost for us is really nice to install. It's really easy to handle. It's easy for the team to load on and off the trailers. Again, carrying around the backs of gardens makes a big difference. Yeah, big benefits we found around the lighter materials and easier on the team backs carrying to and from gardens. But also there's the functionality of fitting, ease and convenience when kind of find a challenge within some of the holes and stuff you're digging. You've got a little bit more play and ease of trying to kind of get some precision on how it's installed. Our installation today was fairly straightforward, had it not been in really hard ground, which DuraPost made it a lot easier than we could get 16 days in a day. So I'm really pleased with the results. For us, the huge benefits are around the longevity of the product, the 25-year guarantee, and the tested up to 110 mile an hour on the post has made a big difference for us. It's a real selling point when we're talking to customers, and being able to kind of trade them up on a premium product whilst delivering the same standards we can on timber and concrete. If you're considering using DuraPost, I would say give it a go. You won't be disappointed. Really lovely product, and if you're used to handling and installing fences, you'll find it a dream.